Welcome to ITTree's Cloud, where you can manage all of your IT needs from one unified platform, anytime, anywhere. Once you log in, you can get started in just 3 easy steps. First, configure a policy that contains the services you wish to install on your computers. Review the services that are available and simply enable each service you wish to include in the policy. When evaluating, the services will remain fully functional for 30 days from the time it is installed on the computer. Remember to enable the maintenance period to perform maintenance tasks such as automatically installing and upgrading your services. Second, create groups to organize your computers. Policies can be optionally enforced based on the particular group a computer is assigned to. Third, deploy the Cloud Agent on all the computers you wish to manage with ITTree's Cloud. Click the Install Cloud Agent button on the home screen. Select the policy and the computer group you wish to assign to the target computers and pick the deployment option that works best for your environment. You have several install options for your Windows and Mac computers. Use the deployment utility to scan your local network and remotely install the services on target computers. That's it. Once the Cloud Agent is installed, your computers will appear under the Computer section in the console. Clicking on an individual computer will provide additional information about the computer as well as information related to any services you have installed. ITTree's Cloud also provides mobile device management to intuitively manage your iOS, Android, and Chrome devices from a single platform. Invite your fellow administrators to use ITTree's Cloud by visiting the user management page. You can assign granular permissions to stay in full control of your environment. Remember to download the ITTree's Administrator mobile app to manage your computers from your iOS or Android device. Explore the many features of ITTree's Cloud, such as sites to manage independent locations, tagging to get things organized, or our Active Directory integration. Should you have any questions, refer to the online help or feel free to contact our technical support team. It's support@phoronix.com.